Hi guys, I know I look like hell, and I feel like hell, but it's okay because I didn't make it to the post office today, and this thing was here finally. Took about a month to get here, and several contacts, Jim. I did start my medicine. I'm on steroids and antibiotics, so the goal for today is just not go to the hospital. But I went sitting here. I got steroid brain, you know, where your body thinks you can do more than you can. So I'm going to open it because curiosity is killing me, just like you. But this is from Bluebird Liquidation. That's what it's called. And they have all different sizes. And when I ordered, this was the biggest size they had. But now I see they got one that's like $500. This costs $200, and it's supposed to be valued at $500. Of course, we all know, yeah, right. But you know, we'll see. You tell me. I can open this up. I'll be totally stoked. Because, you know, one thing about me having such a small YouTube channel, I don't have to spend so much time trying to hide it like some people do. You know, so they can say, oh, they didn't know it was a YouTube channel. Well, they kind of don't. It takes a lot to figure out that I am. Well, but I'm sitting over there, and this is what it looks like. This is a big old box, and it's heavy. Don't get me wrong, it's heavy. And you got this on the top. This is a sticker, which I don't know why. There's a thank you for your order. Please send us a review to contact Bluebird for 10% off your next order. We sincerely appreciate you. And there's their little code, you know, there's little things. And it's got this on top. Now this is a mix of anything. Okay, this is just a general mix. First thing, these are kind of, have you noticed corduroys are coming back finally? These are little old lady pants, but they're ribbed joggers is what they're called, and they're actually kind of cute. High rise, it says. And it's all in motion, and they're large. I walked one day yesterday. Me and my friend started walking again. But look at me now. And here's a puffer jacket. Here's a puffer jacket. It's a size medium. There's that. That's a cute jacket. Here's Bluebird Liquidation Premium item. Okay. It says it's premium. What do they consider premium? It would be a watch. A charger. That's what it says. It's a watch and a charger. Do you think that's premium? Probably not. It's probably a generic version. Yeah, I believe it's a generic watch. It's got a charger with it, so if I have to charge it because it's not charging. Yeah, they're, you know, that's when they're premium items, which, without being rude, you can get them now for, what, 10, 20 bucks. If they're not name brand. But then we got this. This is a pair of pants, a pair of yellow jeans. And they are originally $40, but they're, you know, got 3 or 4 clearance tags on them. And they're size, it's universal thread. Isn't that Target? I think that's Target. Size 12. Kind of big for 12. I would think, but it's okay. Sarso-wing cohesive bandage 12 packs. It sticks to itself, basically sports bandage. You know, so all the kids in sports. Okay, and then we got these. These are another pair of joggers. I think they're skinny, high-rise fitted hip thigh Size 8. My sister might be able to wear those, but they're probably way too big for her. Yeah, because, you know, that's my sister. This is some, what pretty toe is this? Let's see if I can. 3-piece floral quilt. And it is, it doesn't say what size, but it says 3-piece floral quilt. If I take this out of here, I'm never going to be able to get it back in there. So I will look and see if I can find a quilt with 2 shams. It says this 36 by 20. What it says, so I don't know. I have no idea. I'll have to see if I can find it. If I can, I'm going to throw the picture. Oh, I got you all cockeyed, don't I? Oh, that's all right. Half on me and half on them. Should be all right. Yeah. What the heck is it doing? There we go. Maybe. Now turn it this way. There we go. There we got it. Well, you're still cockeyed. We're leaving it. Okay, then we got this, whatever it may be. It says Sonic gear. Oh, Sonic gear it says. And it's a large. Now this is one of those vests. And it's got aluminum on the inside of it. Heated. I don't know if it's actually heated or not. But oh yeah, this is one of those heated vests. Which, Merry Christmas, Jerry Wayne. That's your Christmas present for deer hunting. Okay. Oops. Let's see what this is. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Big Defender. I'm sure one of the kids have one. And one of these things. There's 2 of these. Oh, magnet blocks. Yeah, there's 2 of these. Grandkids got tons of those. And toys, I'll be honest with you, toys sell. Toys sell more than anything else. And they sell faster. Okay, then we got sesame beans. And there's 2 packs of them. Sriracha, high protein super snack. And this is an otter box for iPad 10th generation. Okay. What is this? Heyday Artist Series. Draw Inspiration. I don't know what that is. And I think I've been stuck everything over top my scissors to open it. But it's got a battery in it, whatever it is. There we go. I'll just open it easier. Charger fell on the floor. What the heck? It would appear to just be a memory bank is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It looks like a fancy memory bank. So who knows? I'll turn it off. Power bank, something. Some kind of bank. I can't get the shit off, so. here's a paper in here. Let's see what it says. Oh, it's a power bank, yeah. That's what it is, just a power bank. Awful fancy looking power bank, but it's a power bank nonetheless. This will get passed on to probably what, here's my scissors that sit right here beside me. I'll probably get passed on to one of the boys in the service. These are Cat and Jane. They look like slippers, but they got size 5, it says. We can no longer sell shoes in our store because people have been just leaving them. But they've been stealing them. Size 5, so it won't fit me, but I like moccasins. I don't know if anybody's got that small foot. So I probably have to just donate it. Be done with it. Okay, then we got, now that's what I call a wonderful Christmas. Let's see what we call. Kelly Clarkson, Christmas Isn't Canceled. Gwen Stefani, You Make It Feel Like Christmas. Carrie Underwood, Let There Be Peace. Pentatonics, My Favorite Things. Taylor Swift, Christmas Tree Farm. Anyway, there's that. Here's, one of the generic robot sweepers. And that's just what it is. It's generic. So they honestly probably go for about $100, but it's new in the box. So, here's a pair of grounded footwear. They are grounded footwear. 7.5, men's, women's 9. Let's see what this thing is. Story phones. Start your magical journey. Screen-free story time. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. It's just headphones and it's got these little tiles that tell stories. And they can put it in there. That's cute. Yeah, that's cute. And we're about to the end of this box, so I'll be honest with you. What is this? Wallet card? New? What the heck's wallet card? That's what it says, wallet card new. It comes in a little envelope. Whenever you find yourself doubting how far you can go, just remember how far you have come. That's what I look like. Yeah, I'll call that another waste of my time. Then this is another Heyday. What is it? Oh, it's earbuds. Heyday earbuds. Noise canceling, true wireless earbuds. And here's a My Device, My Life smart bracelet is what it's calling it instead of a smart watch. Then we have an iPhone 17 Pro Max Tech woven case. That looks like. Whatever that is. Okay, we're almost done. And this is cute. This is a phone crossbody where you take your phone and make it into a crossbody. And it's just a chain to it. That's cute. And it universally fits any phone case. That's cute. And this one is 50/50. Oh, that's nice. I think it's one of them. supposedly collectible news things, and they're not worth the crap, quite honestly. It says the beginning, whatever the hell that is. I can't even see where you open it. Here it is. Oh, it just comes out like this. Okay, that makes more sense. We can do that. No, it's actually, it's a book with, there's that and there's this. Interesting. This is an interesting looking book. Look. Believe it. That's it. That's it. So who knows? But that could be all I've received for my $200. Did I get $200 worth of goods? Probably. Did I get $500? Ain't no way. No way. So, which, you know, I did my due diligence on this one. And, I kind of knew that shipping was going to be horrendous. I won't order from them again. Not after what I had to go through just to get my box. But this is what I got. So, well, that's just trash. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to take my medicine, lay down, and go back. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Bye.